Teacher, my name is Valeria Gonzalez and I'm going to talk about obesity caused by excessive junk food. Okay, let's start with a question. What is obesity? We have that obesity is a treatable chronic disease that occurs when there is an excess of adipose tissue, fat tissue, into the body. Okay, and what about junk food? The rush, its attractiveness, and sometimes its low price incite the consumption of fast food. But if you knew the consequences for your body, would you keep eating it? Well, the problem is that when introducing fast food into our body, due to the type of food that characterizes it, and because we tend to eat them at high speed and in greater quantities, digestion are slower and heavier, causing discomfort by making the stomach overwork. And it can also cause constipation and gas due to low or no fiber intake. Now, what happens to our body when with excessive consumption of junk food? With fast or junk food, body weight increases significantly. And why? Because a fast food can contain the total of the daily calories that are needed. And the problem is not only the excessive contribution of calories as such, but also the origin of this. They are food rich in cholesterol, sugars, and saturated fats, which can cause many pathologies like insulin resistance and diabetes, raises blood pressure, increases risk of atherosclerosis, and it can also would be a vitamin deficiency. Now, to reverse the effect of prolonged consumption, nutrition and obesity experts give the following recommendations to reverse the consequences of a prolonged food intake over time. Point number 1. Change lifestyle habits, making them healthy. Point number 2. Carry out a healthy diet with 5 meals a day, in which the predominant foods are fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grain, both blue and white fish, meats and lean sausages, skim dairy, nuts, and olive oil. Another recommendation is to perform physical exercise continuously, lead an active life, and maintain a good level of hydration with water. So don't forget that sometimes you don't have to be overeat to be obese, because eating a little but poorly, it can also be a cause. Now, in conclusion, it's for all of this that we must ensure a good diet to escape obesity. And why? Because mainly the problem lies in poor diet in addition to exercise. But the key is to improve your diet, and both in quantity and quality. Thank you.